What's the meaning of again? Again. 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 Again is an adverb that means to do something once more or to repeat an action. It implies that the action or event has occurred at least once before. The act of doing something again can be motivated by a desire for improvement, correction of mistakes, or simply for pleasure. Again is a common term that is used in everyday conversations and is often accompanied by other words or phrases that provide context to its meaning. Overall, again is a useful tool for people who are seeking to redo something they have done before.